we were getting a massive sell-off in the Warren, weren't we? We were getting a huge sell-off on Warren here, and the stocks just kept ploughing higher and higher as if the buyers had not a care in the world to take the market up. Market manipulation yet again, isn't it? Because this is a form of manipulation. This is a form of manipulation because the stock market's still bullish, but the devil's in the detail. That bullishness is actually coming from the rubbish, premium dividend type stocks, right? The upside of equities, the upside of the index is coming from the dividend kings, the stocks that will generate a return in a bad market. And it took literally the whole day for that to be evolved, didn't it? So they're all talking about, let's take the market up. Look, the stock market's still really, really bullish. But below the surface, there's some incredible peddling going on, isn't there? Somebody's peddling mischief. Somebody is gossiping. Somebody is causing the markets to stay bullish. So in other words, what will happen? How does this play out, guys? How does this play out? There's going to be a big fanfare of people saying, I'm buying stocks today. I'm buying loads of stocks today. Guess what? Everybody says, I'm buying loads of stocks, yeah? Everybody shouts about buying loads of stocks. What do they not tell you? That's completely 100% true, isn't it? So they could say, right, Warren Buffett just bought $5 billion worth of stocks. Somebody else bought another $2 billion worth of stocks. Somebody else bought $100 million worth of stocks. Somebody else bought another $500 million worth of stocks. What are they not telling you? These are all true statements. These are all true headlines. They did buy those stocks. What they're not telling you is they sold all these other ones. They sold this one. They sold that one. They sold the next. That's what Warren's telling you, isn't it? That's what Warren tells you. Yes, somebody bought a lot of stocks. Yes, everybody was talking up the stock market. Everybody was bullish the stock market. But the detail that was hidden from view was that people were rotating into defensive stocks and out of attack, which is a bearish signal. And what happened next? The market gapped down and sold off. Well, what happened this morning? What happened this morning? Oh, it's terrible, it's terrible, it's terrible. Look at all the terrible stocks. Look at all the terrible stocks. I'm selling all these dividend stocks that I had. I'm selling all these dividend stocks, driving the price down. What they're not telling you is they're buying all the good stocks. They're buying you all the energetic stocks, all the high PE stuff. They're buying all of that stuff into the session swing lows. It's sleight of hand yet again, isn't it? Does everybody see that this narrative is exactly what is going on? Does everybody not get it yet? The sleight of hand is not false, because it'd be illegal to say that you're buying if you're not buying. Your SEC fact checkers could come out and say, yeah, he did buy stocks, or he did sell stocks. Absolutely, he sold those high dividend stocks. But that's not what the question is. Yeah, but what was their net positioning? And what did they buy when they sold those high dividend stocks? They bought the other stuff. They bought the good stuff down here. And they've taken it beautifully away from that level off the lows. You see it? Does it make sense, guys? I know it's a storyline, it's a narrative, but it's a way, I suppose, of understanding the nature of the markets. Confessions of a Stock Operator. Those types of books tell you about this discussion. They tell you about what goes on behind closed doors in the olden days. And everybody thinks, yeah, it's just a historical reference. It has no relevance in today's markets. You think? It's more at stake in today's markets to get this stuff right. So the outcome from that trade there of 44.60s, 44.67 to 44.97, $1,500 per contract, perhaps on several thousand contracts, is several $1 million. This is a 1 minute chart, guys. Several $1 million in about 20 minutes. Greed drives everything in that market that you see. Greed and misinformation, misdirection drives everything you see in the marketplace. If you think it's not, you're not understanding the Warren line at all, are you? The Warren line is when you say, I'm buying all these stocks, I'm buying even more stocks. Yeah, but what are you not telling us? I'm not telling you that I'm selling all of those stocks. The Warren line does tell you that because it shows that redistribution of funds. It shows that redistribution of funds at that stage, doesn't it? Crazy.